Kia versus African Grey Parrot, who would win? The Kia, a mountain parrot from New Zealand, is famed for its curiosity, tool use, and social problem-solving, thriving in harsh alpine climates. African Greys, native to Central Africa, excel in vocal mimicry and advanced communication, displaying complex social intelligence and memory. While African Greys can learn hundreds of words and concepts, Kias demonstrate physical problem-solving, such as unlocking boxes and working in teams. In a duel of intelligence and adaptability, the Kia's versatile problem-solving and environmental flexibility give it the edge.